since you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced you to my stove. I'm like,
hey guys, so today I'm back with another wig review for you guys. And the wig that I'm reviewing today is from Rechoo, I guess that's how you pronounce it. So this is a 13 by 60 part pre-plucked water wave lace front unit. I did get this hair in a 20-inch. The hairline, like I said, is pre-plucked with baby hairs. The density of this unit is 150. It says the knots came bleached, but I don't see it, to be honest. And I'm assuming this lace is transparent. Lately I've been noticing with like a lot of these companies, they say that your lace is transparent, but it looks grayish or it will look like greenish. Kind of like how this one is looking, so I would have to go in and add my foundation powder to it just to make this like look really natural against my skin. Or else if I just put this on like this and cut off all that extra lace here, it's gonna look a little funny. You're not really gonna see like the plucked hair or none of that. It's just gonna look really weird. Just other than that, the wig does fit perfect. So right now I'm just cutting off all the extra lace from in the front of my unit. Then I'm using the Got to Be Blasting Free spray to lay my unit down.
Mana wine say she give me dirty wine. Mana grind say she give me dirty wine. Say girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man them me looking at, they think so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so. Mana bad, mana bossing at the thing so.
So right now, to lighten my lace a little bit, I'm taking my pressed powder and I'm just dabbing it on to the lace in the front there. And it does look a little ashy, but once you go ahead and apply some mousse to lay the baby hairs or use gel or whatever, that ashiness goes right away. But you'll still be able to see the pressed powder under it. And the purpose of me applying the pressed powder was just because my lace wasn't light enough. And also, I really wanted this lace to look like it was really growing out of my scalp. And then once I was done that, I laid the baby hairs like I mentioned. I did use some edge control. I don't recall the name of this one. And then I just wet the hair as usual. I always wet all my curly hair. And then I used the Moisture Enhancing Smoothie. Applied a bit of that to the hair, let it dry. And that was pretty much it.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. I move that, way I move that.
Okay, so this is pretty much the unit and I'm absolutely in love. I really love the curl pattern on this here. It's like a really nice loose curl. It's not like a tight curly, but it's definitely like a wet and wavy look, and I am here for this. The wig is absolutely beautiful. It's pretty much the unit now that I've wetted and added some products to it. So in the process of wetting this here, I did notice like a few strands did come out. Now it's not shedding a lot, but I did notice like a few strands did come out. For right now, I don't have any tangles. It's not tangling. The only thing I must say that I didn't like about this unit is the color of this lace. I feel like if you really want like a more natural look than what even I did right now, just the makeup itself did not do the lace justice. Like, although I did add some foundation powder to it, had I bleached the knots itself on this unit, it probably would have looked a lot more natural. I'm not saying it looks too bad right now, but I just feel like the foundation powder alone isn't enough to like enhance it to where I want it to look like the wig's actually coming out my skin. You guys know what I mean? Usually my pressed powder works wonders for me. I don't ever bleach my knots, but for a wig like this, just because of the kind of lace that it comes with it, you will have to bleach your knots for it to look really natural. The lace fits perfectly. I did not have to cut off much hair off the edges. You guys already saw what I laid my unit down. My best friend right here, the Got to Be Blasting Free spray. And also I noticed like the lace does have like a lot of stretch to it. Usually some laces are so stiff that it's like so annoying when trying to like lay down your unit and lay it flat. Because this lace does have like a lot of elasticity in it, it does like, it's a lot easier. Certain laces, like let's say you place your lace right here and this part over here you want to pull it a little forward, they don't move at all. So with this lace now, I noticed that like I could have placed my lace like all the way back here and still be able to pull the front forward, you know. So that's what I mean by the lace does have like a lot of elasticity in it, because usually most laces you cannot do that. And yeah, other than that, the hair is beautiful. It's really soft. I really love this texture itself. This is definitely giving me like a nice beachy vibe. The hair is literally dry already, so I guess this is pretty much how it looks like when it's dry. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see. Usually for most of my curly hair, like I would usually put a part in them, and as you guys saw with this one, I didn't put any part. I just kind of did like a free part. So I kind of parted it, but it's not where I put it where you can actually see like, oh, you have a side part. But I actually like it without the part. I think it's really cute. And like I said, I really love the texture itself on this hair. The hair is really nice, you guys. So I don't have any complaints right now. My only issue would be like the lace itself, but this hair is beautiful. I really love it. For right now, this hair is really cute and nice. So if I was to rate this hair out of 10, I will definitely give it like a 9. Only the lace is like bothering me, but besides that, and it's not the lace itself, it's just like the color of the lace is bothering me. But really like the hair. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this same exact unit that I'm wearing right now, I will leave it somewhere listed down below on where you can purchase it. Also, all the measurements of the hair that I got, the color, and all of that stuff will be down below in the description box. So check the description box for all the details. And as usual, if I do have a coupon code, I will leave it listed somewhere here on the screen or down below as well for you guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning back in. Also, I will have a makeup tutorial on this look. I don't know if I'll put it up before or after this video, but if it's up, I will leave it down below as well. Always check the description box. I always have the details on everything that's going on in the video in my description boxes. So thank you guys once again for tuning back in. To like, share, comment, let me know in the comment section down below how are you guys feeling this unit, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.